Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a before and after tune-up report for Bobby in Georgia on a Stryker SR-655. Bobby, I just got her opened up for you. Thank you very much for the note and what all you want done. But you did want to get the before and after video before we do all the work. So let me turn your RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Just keying up just a hair under 2 watts. Hello, 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 hello. Doing 9 bird. Let's roll it all the way up. So it's keying about 16 watts. Hello. Swinging to 22. 250 watt slug in peak. Hello. Almost 100 watts all the way up. Hello. Almost 100 watts all the way down. But hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. That 100 watts didn't mean a whole lot from a 2 watt carrier if you're only swinging to, what was it doing there? Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. 5 watts bird average. So we're going to do our thing to it, and we'll be back. Okay, and we're back. Got the ER2030 Plus upgrade, tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic capacitor upgrade. Let's go back to it here. 50 watt slug. We got that 1.5 watts, and we were swinging to about 7 watts before. And let's see where we're at now. Low audio. Low audio. Now we're swinging a 32 or 33 bird average, 250 watt slug. Hello, 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 hello. Better than 125 watts, about 130 on this one. Gonna roll the power up. There's your 20 watt dead key. We was swinging forward, I think, to about 23 watts. Hello, better than 50, so huge difference. 250 watt slug. Hello, 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 hello. Easy 125, 126. All right, man, it's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.